start again. It's a red skin.
Welcome back to another video. So I've not had for a while some new Born Pretty products. So I've had a little Born Pretty package turn up. Yeah, just gonna have a quick look at them today. So this is another one of those sea blue cat magnetic gels. This is number 14. I've already got 6 of these. I think this is a new one, and it's like a metallic lilac. It's beautiful. And then this is a 9D magnetic gel. Guys, look at the colours in this. It's got like purple, but it's holographic. Oh my gosh, it is stunning. And it's like a shimmer. I love that. Absolutely love that. And then this is BP112. This is just one of their regular colours, and it's like a bluey purple, isn't it? I like that. Blurple. Fantastic gels these. I really enjoy using them. And I've got one of their regular painting gels. So this is not the chrome ones that they do. That's just a regular one. And then eggshell 5D solid gel. And then this is rhinestone glue. I recorded this nearly a week ago, guys. I've even forgot what I've done. Yeah, this is a rhinestone glue, and you just pop the top off, and it's got like a little metal nozzle, so you can just pinpoint exactly where you want that glue to go. Like that, look. I love that. I can see me really enjoying that. That's going to come in really handy. And it's got a little rubber thing. You just pop it on, and that'll stop it from leaking and everything. I'll leave all links below, guys. Don't forget, you can get 20% off Born Pretty website using my code Aggie20. I'll leave all product links below. And I've also got a little rhinestone wheel with some opal gems. There's really not a lot in there. That's what I thought when I first opened it. But they are pretty. Nice opal rhinestones. So we're just going to give everything a quick swatch and see what we got. So this is the bluey purple 112. Look at these for one coat. I love these gels. They're so nice. That's a beautiful colour. I really, really like that. Gorgeous. Right, guys, this is the 9D magnetic gel. So over a clear, I'm not too... I don't know. I think this looks better over a black or a colour. So that's it, just without the magnet. It's got beautiful colours going through it. So I'm just doing my little swipey thing. Look at it though. Oh my gosh, love that. And I'm just going to stick it over a black as well. Gorgeous. So again, I'm just going to do a little swipey swipe. Oh no, I did a little fade with this one. Look at that. Look at the colours, holographic, and then it's got that purple. It's beautiful, isn't it? I really like that. Gorgeous, love it. Right, and this is it over a white. I wasn't too keen on it over a white, but I was thinking for Halloween or something, turning it into like graveyard with, yeah, silhouette like graveyards and scary trees. I thought that'd be cool for Halloween maybe. But yeah, I wasn't too keen on it over a white. I think definitely a colour or a black would look better with that one. So quickly, this one is the Sea Blue Cat Magnetic number 14. I think they've got this in 10 colours now. And yeah, this is like a lilac. I like this just as a normal gel. It just looks like a purple metallic on its own. Purple lilac. Isn't that pretty? Wait and see these. These are my favourite cat eyes, these. And they've got these in blue, green, red. Stunning, aren't they? And again, over a black. I'm just going to do a little bit of a glitter, I call it a glitter fade. Cat eye fade. Just bring all that sparkle up to the tip. And look at that. They're so effective, aren't they? I'd love to go to the factory where they make all these and have a day out and just watch how they make them. I'd love that. And this is the same one over a white. That is a beautiful colour purple. I love it. So same again, I'm just going to do a bit of a fade type thing. Aren't they pretty? Ah, Love them. So that's them all cured. That's the BP 112. Pretty colour, blurple. And this is them sea blue cap magnetic ones. So this is the ones that I already swatched a couple of weeks ago. Look at that blue. Guys, these are so pretty. And now I've got a lilac, however you say it, to add to that collection. And that's them over a black. Same gels over a black. Completely different, aren't they? It's like you're getting 2 or 3 gels in one, isn't it, with these magnetic ones? I love them. And they're so much fun. And this one is the 9D one. Again, I wasn't quite keen over a clear, really. Although it is pretty. I didn't like it so much over the white. I think this is one of them that needs to go over a black or a colour. It definitely looks better over the black. Look at the holographic, the colours, rainbow colours. They're crazy, isn't it? Right guys, I wish I ended the video here because I just didn't know what to do with these and I was kind of rushing. So I just thought I'd do a little blobby circle. Like I've seen people putting circles of this stuff on nails and I was doing really well. My circle was looking really good and then poof, look, it popped out. So I had to kind of join it up and finish off the circle. But it's just a transparent gel with little black shards in it. They've got this in normal colours as well. This is similar to the stuff I did my lava lamp nails with. But this is an eggshell one. Look at the state of that. But you get the gist. I think these would be good for making little 3D charms in them little moulds. Yeah, I think there's a few things you could do with these. So I've just stuck that in the lamp for 60 seconds. And this is that metallic paint gel. Guys, this is so nice. I just want to run my fingers through it. So that's cured now and it doesn't have a tacky layer or anything, so that could go straight on top of a finished nail. Don't ask me what I'm doing here guys, but I just wanted to have a little play with this gold paint. So I kind of just do an outline sort of thing around it. No clue, but I just wanted to try it. And it's so opaque. It's just a bright yellow gold, isn't it? I really like it. So I'll let you watch this monstrosity and I'll be back in a sec. Right, that is it done. I just didn't want you to see it because it was just stupid. I don't even know why I did it, but I just wanted to have a play with it. You really don't need to see it. But anyway guys, that is it for today. Just a quick swatchy just to show you what I got. All links will be below. Oh my gosh, look at it though. Yeah, all links will be below. Links to the website, I'll leave the product links below. Don't forget you can get 20% off using my code Aggie20. But yeah, that's it guys. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And hopefully, I'll see you all back in my next one. Take care, bye.